Hi, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. If you're new and you like DIYs, hauls, vlogs, and every now and then get ready with me video vlogs, then go ahead and click that like button, that subscribe button, and the notification bell and select all so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Right now, I'm not doing as many DIYs because I'm still healing from my shoulder and neck. I'm in physical therapy, so I'm real stiff right now a lot. And I want to tell everybody hi from Snuggles back here. He's the oldest cat that I have, and he isn't feeling too well. He got an infection in his ear and scratched at it, and it bubbled up. Kind of like when they have, what's it called, ear mites, and it bubbles up and they have to have surgery. So he had to have surgery, and it, where it irritates him, I have to keep stopping him from scratching, and it swelled up again, so he's going to have to go back to the vet Monday and have that scab opened up again and all that pushed out. We had to take him in Friday, and they said it would probably happen again, but other than that, he's doing fine. He's real spoiled, and from me, I baby him a lot, and now I baby him even more, so don't be surprised if he climbs over and I have to finish this haul with him in my arms. But he's doing okay. Let's go ahead and get started on this Dollar Tree Halloween haul. I'm going to start off by showing you this tote bag. It's a trick-or-treat bag too. It's got the jack-o'-lantern on front and it's plain on the back. I got a few items in here. Let me grab the, whoops, there he is. I got some coloring books while I was out. I picked up some for Christmas too, but I don't want to show them right now. I do want to show you this Halloween coloring book that I picked up. And it has some real nice pictures. I should be able, if I sit real close to them, hopefully color in them. If not, I will do it after I have my surgery next month. And these are not Halloween, but I use them. I use rulers when I make bows and stuff, and during the move, I don't know what happened to them, but I misplaced them somehow. But 3 of them for $1.25. You can't beat that. And I picked up these crayons, 65 count, Crayola, and a 24 pack of crayons, and the colored pencils. I figure that'd be enough crayons and pencils to do all these coloring books. And like I said, the other ones I will show you after Halloween when I start doing my Christmas hauls. And I'm just shoving this back in here so it doesn't get kicked all over the floor by these kiddos. And I want to show you this. It's got the little witch and bats. She's flying her broom. And the lid pops off. And I got some stuff in it to show you. But you can get quite a bit down in here. I use them for my crafts. And I love the black lid. It just sets it off. And there's this kitty cat treat bow, but I'm using it to put my Halloween mesh in, or any other thing. It doesn't have to be used as a candy dish. Now I already hauled these mesh in a previous haul, but I'll show you a few of them just in case you missed it. Here's some Thule, and then they have the candy corn, orange, purple, and the black I think is, yeah, I opened the black, and they have black, and then they also have this type of Thule too. But there's that. Just show that back in there and scoot it back there out of the way. But I'm doing okay. My husband's doing a lot better from he's back at work part-time, while he's getting his strength back. And I'd like to know how you all are doing. Are you ready for Halloween? What is your decorating theme this year for Halloween? I'd like to know. I did a little bit of jack-o'-lanterns, and I got a little hocus pocus. If y'all are interested in seeing it, I'll make a small video just showing some of my decorations. Now this isn't Halloween, but I use them for the bags. They're little clips, you know, for like potato chips and stuff like that. But I also use them for anything that's crafty, and the bag needs rode down just to clamp it off. It comes in handy for a lot more than what you think. And I bought 3 in a pack of these little light up candles. I bought some more of the purple and orange 4-pack pumpkins. And there's one more. I want to show y'all 3 of these. And there's this black flower, this purple one, and this like a burgundy black. And they're little, here's the back of it. It's a little clip-on, or you can take it off and glue it onto something. But I'm hoping to make something out of that in a DIY for y'all. So be on the lookout for that. And I bought some more of these little plaques that stand up. I want to scrape off the label on the back and use them for Halloween. I want to do a DIY. And here's this one, and the black. And I'm thinking of leaving the colors the same. Just adding a small picture or something on the back of it. And I bought some batteries to go in some of my Halloween decorations. They have AAA and AA. That's a lot of batteries in there for $1.25. Let me just throw these back in here. Well, sure enough, when I go to get up, I'll end up stepping on one of them. I've done that before. Okay, and let me see what this is. Oh yes, I bought some more of this mesh tubing. Here's the black, the purple, the orange, and the green. And some of the Chanel stems. And then I picked up this cat tote. It's a drawstring one. It has a handle. And you can pull it like that to close up the top. And I picked up a couple more of the 3-pack of the Witch's Brooms. You have the orange, the black, and the purple. Let me show you from the, that's what they look like. These are real nice to put on a wreath and a flower arrangement on garland. They're real nice. There's some more of them Chanel stems. I picked up two of these, these are the 2-pack for $1.25 gift bags. They also have them smaller, 3-in-a-pack. But here's the ghost. This one says Boo. And then here's the other ghost. I just think they're so cute. Now I'm putting these in my journals. And then there's this jack-o'-lantern and the other jack-o'-lantern. I don't know what it is, but this year I'm into jack-o'-lanterns. So on my mantle I have 3 big ones sitting up. And then I picked up these glitter silver skulls. And these are, let me see that. Yes, and then these are the purple glitter skulls. I have a few more things in this bag. This little cat tote, it holds a lot of stuff. I was wondering how much I'd be able to fit in it, and then I decided to just fill it up with stuff, you know, for this video, and do it that way. Hang on, he's my kitty cat Snuggles is, he don't know if he wants to try to come over this way. He changed his mind. Okay, this is all that came out of that tote. We have the witch's hat, the cat. Come on, baby, get back. Go on. I'll be done in a minute. We have already opened up this one, but it's the jack-o'-lantern. And they come with little jute rope, too, so you can hang them. And then we have the ghost. And another black cat. Another cat one. And I picked up some of this base filler, the black and the orange glitter. I already picked up one of these, but I decided to get another one. It's the witch's legs. I'm going to do a DIY for y'all for that. And then, let's see. This one is Ghost, I think. These are the little lights, LED lights. And they run by batteries. I think there's 2 AA batteries is what it takes. And then I have this bat one, I think. No, this is the jack-o'-lantern. And then here, I took this one out, but it's a skull. I have to figure out how to unravel it. And the last few items are these Halloween gift cards. Now, I got these for my journaling. Here's one that says, well, I can't see it, but anyway, I think it's Happy Halloween, but it's got bats flying. And then there's this one. I like this one because you can feel it. Run your finger over it and you can feel it. And it goes this way. And they come with envelopes too. All of them are orange. And then there's just 2 more cards. I really like this one. It's cut out in the shape of the jack-o'-lantern. Trying to open it to show y'all. There we go. I like that one. And the last item, I'm sorry, my kitty just smacked the stand, is this black cat. I had to get this one in memory of my little black cat that I had that passed away on Halloween Eve 2 years ago. She was poisoned. They say it was accidental poisoning. But anyway, to keep in a happy spirit, I hope y'all have a great day. Thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. And read in the description, I have a giveaway going on, and a Halloween giveaway and another one. And check out my videos. Go to my channel, and there's 2 small videos showing you and telling you what all the winner of each of the giveaway contests will receive. All right, thank y'all. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.